Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lenovo ThinkPad laptop BIOS and security basics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up the BIOS on your Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, start by powering it on. As soon as the Lenovo logo appears, repeatedly press the F1 key. This key will take you directly to the BIOS setup utility. Once in the BIOS, you'll see various categories on the main screen. Use the arrow keys to navigate through these options. Look for the Config tab to access the configuration settings. Under this tab, check the system information to verify your laptop's specs. Next, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you can set up a power-on password to enhance security. Select Set Password and enter a desired password. Ensure you remember this password, as it will be needed to access the BIOS in the future. To enable the BIOS password, ensure it shows enabled next to the option. Now, proceed to the Boot tab to manage boot device priorities. Make sure your hard drive is set as the primary boot device. If you plan to boot from a USB drive, adjust the order accordingly. Once all changes are made, press the F10 key to save and exit. Confirm your choice when prompted to save changes. After saving, your laptop will reboot. As part of security basics, ensure your operating system has up-to-date antivirus software installed. Regularly check for firmware updates on Lenovo's support website. This will help maintain optimal performance and security. You can also consider enabling Secure Boot for added protection. By following these steps, your Lenovo ThinkPad will be set up with improved BIOS settings and security features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.